Edison Chen has spent over 25 years shaping culture through fashion, music, and creative collaborations. Since joining Adidas Originals in late 2023, the CLOT founder has continued to connect Eastern and Western influences through thoughtfully designed collections. His next project revisits the iconic Adidas Superstar, this time with help from streetwear powerhouse A Bathing Ape, also known as BAPE. The upcoming CLOT x BAPE x Adidas Superstar follows an ultra-limited friends and family pair seen at ComplexCon, but arrives in a refined off-white, branch, and olive cargo colorway instead of classic black. The design keeps premium co-branding details like STA logos, debossed marks, camouflage accents, special lace hardware, and a dress shoe-inspired sole for an elevated finish. There is also speculation that matching apparel and accessories may release alongside the footwear. The sneakers are expected to launch on Adidas.com and a Juice store on January 1, 2026.